Riviera here at Unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Right now the odometer reads just a little over 49,000 is all in this one. 5-liter underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's take a look at this front grille. Chrome bright work. Of course, the Riviera hood ornament. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price on this one. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Riviera wire wheel covers. And as you can see up front, the filler panels, nice shape. You're familiar with these cars. Lots of times, just due to age, being out in the sun, weathering, those can check, crack, or be completely missing. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see panels nice and straight, not full of nicks, dings, chips, or scratches. Vinyl top, also in nice shape. Now you gotta remember, this is still a 1981, so you may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, you can see condition of the car shows very well. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Check out the rear filler panels here. Appears they have been replaced, but again, they are there, intact, not checked, faded. Chrome looks good. Be able to see the trunk, the underside, interior, engine bay in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see those. Remember, we also have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this car for you, not a problem. Maybe you can't make it due to time or distance. We obviously try to represent them as fair as we can with all the pictures that are taken and a walk-around video like this on them all. And then, of course, at the end, stick around. You'll see what it's like to take this car down the road, a little driving video, take a little virtual ride, so to speak. Take a look at the interior. So white exterior, blue interior, and yes, that's the way this car was produced back in '81 from Buick. It does have power seat, driver's side, power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Take a look at the seating surface. Not full of rips, tears, or holes. Actually, quite nice condition. What you'd expect with the miles. Let's put it that way. How about the headliner? This vintage GM is kind of known for sometimes a headliner separating. Headliner's good. Top of the dash looks good also. We're going to fire it up so you can hear it run. Take a look under the hood. Remember, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold in this one. And it has been converted from the R12 to 134. There's your exact miles. See them there, 49,760. Does have AM, FM. Here's me cassette there. See if I can get a station in FM here in a second. There's one.
Hot dogs or nacho, you know.
Radio working. Rear defrost. Closer look at the top of the dash. No cracks. Looks good there. We'll turn this AC off. It is cool. Here's the fuel gauge is working. All right. Door closes nicely. How's it sound? Kind of like you'd expect. That 5-liter in an 81 to sound. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to get this hood release popped. We'll get the hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. There's a shot of the underside of the hood. Hood liner nice and clean. Doesn't appear this car's been driven in inclement weather. Actually came to us from California. Notice on the title. There it is, smooth running. And just not much for corrosion or rust or anything underneath the hood. nice and clean. Here's your fitting where you can see it is the 134. There's also a little tag when it was done up here. Done back in 2018, so not too long ago. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included, maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can do that by calling 507-386-1726. Check out all the still pictures unique, classiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1981 Buick Riviera with very comfortable seats. This is an automatic on the column, so it is very easy to drive. We have that luxurious 1980s Buick ride. The fuel gauge is reading just under half. Speedometer working well. The 5-digit odometer is showing 49,758. Our air conditioning is blowing cold right now. Factory radio does work. Nice blue interior with wood grain in the dash. A couple sprinkles coming down out there, which is a good opportunity to test out the wipers, which work perfectly. Very smooth running Buick. Brakes work well. This car is a 2-door. We have very good power steering in this car. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays perfectly straight. Very good alignment. As I said before, a very luxurious ride. Comfortable ride. Very good condition. 1981 Buick Riviera. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.